that was the creative director of Perfect Pieces Photo Studio, Ama Echampong. She is the photographer and the editor of all her photos, and she's an amazing mother of 4. Kudos, Ama, you're doing awesome. Now, up next, we have Edinam Adjei-Sika, who is the CEO and founder of Bumps and Us, which is located at East Legon. It is a maternity store for all women. You can rock her outfits before and even after pregnancy. Welcome, Edinam.
Thank you, Eno.
So, Edinam, welcome to the show. I see you brought some beautiful clothes. Can you tell us a little bit about Bumps and Us?
Thank you, Eno, for having me here today. So, like you said, Bumps and Us maternity shop was started about 5 years ago, located in East Legon. In actual fact, it just came out of a need because we realized that many women actually during the period of pregnancy had it very difficult to dress up. And so you are a fashion-forward woman, career woman, and then you find yourself pregnant. And then you realize that it's almost impossible to get something that fits your previous lifestyle. And so that is how it started. As a mom and a corporate woman, I decided to bring a solution to a problem that I faced during my entire pregnancy. So today I brought in a few clothing. So let's start with my beautiful fake bum here.
So this is for what? What trimester is this? This like,
well, they say it should be somewhere close to the 3rd trimester, but then you know every pregnancy is different. So somebody may have this right in the 2nd trimester and then good. So this is usually
my belly.
It's quite cute, right?
Very, very cute. This reminds me of when I was pregnant. But I think my bump was bigger, actually.
And that's what I mean by everyone. I think I was probably 6 months or 5 months pregnant with this bump size.
And my belly button was sticking out. It wasn't in like this.
You have people that go all the way to the 9th month as small as this. So every woman is different and every pregnancy is different. So today I just brought 3 clothing that will take you before, during, and after pregnancy. We know that pregnancy is just a period. And so most people want to be economical about it. So you don't want changing your whole wardrobe because once pregnancy is done, what are you going to be doing with them? And so we try to stock clothing that can serve a purpose even after baby comes. So when you're investing, you don't go, I'm spending too much and what do I do with it?
When I'm done,
So let's start with
the blouse. Let me take this kimono off.
So this is a smock blouse. It will perfectly fit before, during, and after pregnancy. So this can go on jeans. It can go on a beautiful pencil skirt.
It can go on palazzos like this.
Yes.
Oh, this is nice.
And it's cotton and it's breathable. We know our weather here, and so we don't want the mummies feeling all hot, you know. And so this is something that is casual but can be dressed up or down. Oh, this. So this is a smock.
And it's very breathable. I love the feel.
And it will just take you all the way.
And then let me unstrap this and see what it looks like when I'm done.
Perfect. All right. So without a fake bum. You know, you can actually put a regular belt on it and you should be good to go.
I love this. I love
beautiful
this.
color.
It's true, I'm sure.
Because pregnancy, many people think you have to go all like you're already feeling all the hormones around. So I advise that people bring in a pop of color. Because so it actually helps your mood.
It's true.
You know, you don't go all dark and then
gloomy.
Exactly.
Let me try on the other ones. Which other ones do you have?
So we have this here. Which is supposed to be a corporate dress.
Let me try on the. Let me take this off again.
So this here is something you can wear to work.
Oh, this looks really corporate.
Yes, because we have a good number of corporate mothers having issues with what to wear. Especially those who are in the very corporate banking sector.
Where they're specific about what you should wear.
So that's a big challenge. The colors they have to wear and all that. So
I believe I'll like this already. This looks...
Alright, so let's see.
I really feel pregnant. It's amazing. Oh, wow. I think I have to go again. No, I have to go again. So I can rock your
very good.
Your clothes.
So this is a typical corporate wear. And this can be rocked also without the bump.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
With the color.
I think it's probably a little big, that's why, but it can actually go
so
that
this is
way.
how it should look. Okay,
Yes.
okay. Ooh, this is nice.
Yeah. So that
oh, it has pockets.
yes, it does.
I love this.
It does.
I wonder why they don't make more clothes for women with pockets, because like we always have
You
the
put something
keys and
inside
things you want to put in, and you know when you're pregnant, you have pregnancy brain, so you forget a lot of things, and you can just put it here, your phone,
your keys.
Yeah, this
so
is great.
That's the
okay,
idea.
so without a bump, let me see what it looks like.
So imagine this with a cut heel.
Ooh.
Even without a bump.
That's true. This is
Okay,
nice.
so you would, and if you feel maybe it's a bit big, but it was actually meant to be like that.
Like a
you
free
can
size.
Always built it up. But But
true.
that's it.
Yeah.
So that you don't feel like you're throwing away money or you're just going to be hanging it in your wardrobe after.
Yeah, this is beautiful.
Okay.
Let's see
so
the
the
third.
last one is
take
something that has a touch of African print.
Okay.
So what we are trying to do now at Bams and Us is most of the clothing would be your regular shops, you know, from the UK and in Europe.
Okay.
And then we have just started incorporating our African prints.
So is this made in Ghana?
This is made in Ghana exclusively for Bams and Us.
Yeah, I can see the tag in there. This is nice.
So
and it comes in sizes?
Yes, it does. Okay. So the idea is we have people also who come and they would usually rock African print or something to church or to some other event in which they don't want to be in, you know.
So this is what it looks like before you get pregnant or after?
Anyhow,
because this is without the bump.
Yeah.
Okay.
The good thing is that we actually have women who are not pregnant, plus size, regular women who just want something to be free.
You know, I've actually seen things in your shop where I said, I'm not pregnant, but I just want to come and shop in there.
We've had a lot of women do that because they just want to be free.
Yeah.
They said, well, it's loose. It's too hot around here.
Okay.
So this one, depending on who you are and how you want to, someone may wear it this way.
Okay.
Or you can belt it up.
Okay. So where would I put the belt?
So we don't have your bump. So let's try and do it
with the bump. Okay.
And then we can... Okay. I'm pregnant. Okay.
My cute final trimester bump.
Okay, good. So the thing about Ghana, and I don't know if it's the same around the world, is that many people want to hide their bum. For whatever reason. So in the beginning, we used to bring in a lot of fitted clothing, but you always learn from business, right?
Yeah.
And then we realize that they're not moving because somebody comes and be like, no, I don't want to show. I'm like,
wow.
It's pregnancy. At every whatever you do until the baby comes, people will know you are pregnant.
But you know, people also think that you're restricting the baby, and I wear tight clothes a lot, so I know it doesn't restrict the baby.
So that's it. So with the belt, depending on how you feel,
so I can wear it here.
You probably do a side.
Okay.
And then I'm very bad at doing both, but let's try something.
Okay.
Okay. So that means that you can do it. So for those who want to, we have people come in and say,
I'm not ready.
Yeah, I am pregnant, but I'm not ready for anybody to see that I'm pregnant. And so that person is going to go without the belt. And we'll just be moving in because nobody sees the tummy, nothing. And then when you get to the stage where you really want to rock the bum, maybe around the third trimester, and then you can put the belt on.
Oh, this is cute.
Yeah, I mean, we have jeans, we have leggings, we have biker shorts.
Oh,
in fact, all the modern items that, you know, keeps copying in the fashion world. The same is being done for the maternity.
Oh, so we don't feel left out.
People come in and they be like, oh, wow, I can wear a biker short.
Yes.
You can wear biker shorts that are made for pregnant women. Yeah. You have leggings that are made for pregnant women. Even the texture of the fabrics that are used are softer and stretchy. Exactly. Yeah. With the pregnant woman in mind.
Okay. Yeah, I've seen your jeans. It's like up to here and then the stretch starts over the bum.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Even that for mini skirts, you can get that.
Oh, really?
You can get jeans shorts, everything. Just
Wow.
name it, yeah.
I need
you
to
want
get
a bare
pregnant.
back, you want one hand.
Yeah.
Yes.
Or
we
even
have
if you're
all
not
that.
pregnant and you're full, you know you're going to eat somewhere, you can just get those things.
Exactly.
This
So
is amazing.
that's it.
Oh,
Yeah.
thank you so much.
Thank
You're doing
you, Tiveno.
amazing. Your clothes are fantastic. I remember when I was pregnant with my first, I bought some clothes from your shop. Oh my goodness. I rocked it and I still rock it now.
That's good.
So I know your clothes are definitely for during pregnancy and after. So thank you, Edinam.
Thank you,
This
Tiveno,
was
for having
amazing.
me.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you're welcome.
All right.
All right, so that brings us to the end of the show. This was such a lovely, informative show. I enjoyed it. I hope you did too. See you same time next week. Bye.